Hello friends, myself Dr. Monal Parihar. I am a homeopathic doctor as well as nutritionist. I am staying at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. I am working with the Diabetic Care Clinic Kharghar. So today I am going to tell you about vitamin C. So everyone is fond of vitamin C because everyone knows that vitamin C is full of immunity boosters. So it is very important in our life. So today I am going to tell you about vitamin C. Vitamin C, it is an antioxidant. It is important for our skin, bones and our tissues. It helps in body absorptions. So actually vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. It is very, as I told, it is very important for our immune system. It is a water soluble vitamin C means it dissolves. Water soluble means it dissolves in water and deliver to the body tissues and not stored in our body. Then vitamin C, as you know, there are so much sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C, main source of vitamin C is, as I told, we are fond of vitamin C. So everyone is known that vitamin C is found in large amount in grossberries. I mean amla. So everyone like it. Then it is found in citrus fruits like lemon and oranges and mosambi also. Then it is found in guava, pineapple, strawberries, kiwi and tomatoes. Some vegetables contains vitamin C, that is cauliflower, cabbage, papaya and green and red peppers. So vitamin C, actually vitamin C is foods which is ripens and raw contains fruits which is ripens fruits and raw fruits also contains vitamin C more. Then vitamin C, I am going to tell you about functions of vitamin C. So main functions of vitamin C is necessary for our growth and development and repair of our body tissues, formation of collagen, absorption of iron, wound healing and increase our immune system, maintenance of bones and teeth, helps in controlling infections. Deficiency, so deficiency of vitamin C, everyone is know that what is the deficiency of vitamin C. From childhood we are listening that vitamin C, if you are not taking vitamin C, then you will become like scurvy patients. You will due to vitamin C, scurvy will happen. So what is the scurvy? Scurvy means, actually it is a symptoms of scurvy I am going to tell, that is swollen gums, fatigue, depression, rash on all over body. So it is the scurvy. Then tiredness and weakness is also there, muscles and joints, red and blue colors, bruises on our skin, then hair loss and problems fighting infections, nosebleeds are there. There is a means takes times to healing wounds, dry skin and deficiency of vitamin C is weakens our immune system. So now due to this pandemic situation we are taking some immunity boosters. So definitely we are increasing, everyone is increases our vitamin C dose. But one thing is, remember that in one night or in 1 month we can't increases our immunity. Then dose means dietary recommendations of vitamin C. Uh, that is in adults 90 milligrams per day for male and 75 milligrams per day in woman. And yeah, one thing is remember that in pregnancy and in lactation period you have to increase your dose of vitamin C, that is 85 to 120 milligram per day. Vitamin C, and again remember one thing, vitamin C can be destroyed by heat and light. uh, you eat it ripen or in raw materials, you will get more vitamin C. So it is a little bit about vitamin C. I hope like it. Thank you.